Hi guys, today I brought Xengxeng, our alpha dog, outside to have his first day of training for the basic command, which is sit, walk, come, and the basic on how he's gonna follow and behave outside. So I'm gonna show you some some of the things that he learned earlier. And in a shelter, actually we're not a shelter. We're a home. I call our house a home for them. Shelter, you have to have lots of dogs. But for now, I can't do it because of you know financially we are unable to do it for now. But soon, um, we will have or we will rescue more dogs. But for now, let's just have an insight on how I'm going to train one of them. The first rescue dog that we have regarding the basic things that he needs to know outside and how to behave outside. And guys, I apologize for the camera earlier because I just requested someone to take the video for us because one of my crew here is on leave and cousin is on leave as well, so I'm alone since yesterday. So that's one of the reasons I wasn't able to upload any videos for the meantime, because running a shelter alone is not an easy task to do. So you have to clean, you have to cook, you have to prepare their food, you have to feed them, clean again, and then that's it. By the way, this is Milo. I got Milo from Silang, Cavite, and look at him now. He's so, he's no longer skinny. Most of them are skinny before, but Milo here is so, handsome, handsome. He's such a sweet baby, and he loves to, being cuddled, and all of them loves being cuddled. So, just a reminder: if you're getting a dog, please treat them as your family, because their lives matter too. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm telling you more videos to come, and I'll give you updates regarding the dogs that we have here. There's a lot to tell a story. We've only just begun.